Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to highlight a document or document parts on MacBook. So first of all, you want to go ahead and find your document, your PDF. Then you want to go ahead and open it with Preview or whatever you like, but for the MacBook it is Preview. Open it up. Now, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and drag your PDF here. And now you will see this top bar right there where you can see markup and many other things. You can highlight with just like so if you like to by changing the color, but the real highlights are on this pen, highlights and notes. As you can see, you can choose a color, underline, strike through. So for example, let's choose yellow and let's highlight this sentence. Then again, you can highlight separate words, just like so. Now, if you want to go ahead, you can go ahead, do an underscore, for example, like so. And also a strike through, just like so. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.